This video is brought to you by Sonnos Automation, Systems and Control Services. Supplier of industrial and pneumatic parts, consultations, and systems design.
Compressed air piping. The air main is a permanently installed distribution system, carrying the air to the various consumers, typically installed at the ceiling level, where the temperatures can be at the highest levels. This feature restrains moisture to a minimal. The air main can be a tremendous source of contamination in the installation process and during everyday use. During the installation process, care must be taken to reduce the metal fillings, pipe dope, and other foreign materials that will be generated from assembly. The large size of most air mains makes contamination seem acceptable. Yet when the contamination is seen relative to the extremely small tolerances in modern automation components, such as valves and actuators, the effect can be disastrous. If the air main comes in contact with outside air temperatures, like mains connecting or crossing two buildings, or perhaps being fitted underground, it will serve as a moisture producer, and provisions must be provided to overcome this condition. As many mains are iron pipe, rust is the eventual byproduct. Careful examination should be made when using older pipes to create a new airline. If the opportunity presents itself and a new airline is to be created, consider the piping configuration as well. There are two main layout configurations: dead-end line and ring main. After examining both configurations, it should become apparent that the ring main configuration would be preferred for better supply flow. The additional cost is a one-time concern for the additional pipe, but the advantages can be enjoyed every day of operation. To assist drainage, the pipe work should have a slope of about 1 in 100 in the direction of flow. And it should be adequately drained at suitable intervals. In a ring main system, air can be fed from two sides to a point of high consumption. This will reduce the pressure drop. However, this drives condensate in any direction. Sufficient water take-off points with auto drains should be provided. Isolating valves can be installed to divide the air main in two sections. This limits the area that will be shut down during periods of maintenance or repair, unless an efficient aftercooler and air dryer are installed. The compressed air distribution pipe work acts as a cooling surface, and water and oil will accumulate throughout its length. Branch lines are taken off the top of the main to prevent water in the main pipe from running into them. Unlike drainage tubes, which are taken from the bottom of the main pipe at each low point, these can be frequently drained or fitted with an automatic drain. End of Lesson 8.